Welcome back, everyone. This is tutorial number 2, episode number 2, whatever you want to call it. It's Tim from DowScopeMedia, and I'm back with our Java basic programming tutorial series. This time we're going to show how to output onto the console screen. Nothing graphical yet. Remember, this is just basic, and if you're just learning what to want to do, these are the steps that I believe you should take first in knowing anything about Java. It's really simple. Like we did last time, we started with the class, we started with the main method, and now this one, all we want to do is put something onto the screen to show that the program is working. Now, typically, what they do is they do this simple "Hello World" in, and that's your first program. So we're gonna do the "Hello World." Only you can put anything other than "Hello World" in there, and it's gonna output it to the screen. So this is our code screen. This is where we're going to enter all the code, and we got to put it in the main method that we created last week or last time. And down here on the console is where it should display what we print out. Now, first things first, it's very simple. I'm not getting into anything too advanced. Basically, when it comes to these first little little programs that we're writing right now, you don't need to know why it is the way it is. You just need to know that this is how it is for now. Just because you're a beginner and there's nothing abstract about it right now. So when you want to put something onto the screen, you need to call another class, and it's a Java class, so it's within the Java library. It's nothing that we've created. It comes with Java, and we call that by writing the system down. It's going to be called system. So we're calling the system because we want to tell the system that we're preparing to output something onto the screen. There's other methods that you could use system for, but for out, we need to use this one. So system dot out, and it's right there. See, system dot out, and then dot. The dots mean that you're going inside the class. So like how we have tut2 as a class name and then main method, this is how it is for system dot out. It'd be like calling tut2 dot main. This is system dot out dot, and now we're going to go even further into it, and we want to print something to the screen. And when it comes to print, it's just taking a little bit to load here. No, maybe not. We're going to print the line. So print line, open and close brackets. And now what we need to do is we need to tell the computer that this line is done, finished. We do that with the semicolon. Each command line that we put into a Java, we always end it with a semicolon. And this is because sometimes when we write programs, the line can get so long that it wraps 2 or 3 lines down. And when it does that, it will continue to read it and read it and read it until it hits a semicolon and it knows that's the end of the line. So just always remember that you need a semicolon to finish the line. And that's it. So this right here will print something to the screen. Well, it will print nothing to the screen right now because we haven't told it to print anything. But this is the command you use to print to the console down here. System.out.println, and it will print one line, and then it will hit the enter automatically and go to the next line if you wish to print more lines. So what do we want it to print? Well, we're going to make it print a hello world. So inside the brackets here, inside these parentheses, we need to put something in there, and we're going to put a string because that's what it wants you to put in. And a string is a type. Like integer is a type of number, string is a type of character, and it's a group of characters. A character would be just one character. String is a group of characters put together to make words. Basically, letters and words. Characters represented by a letter or symbol or number or whatever. And string is like the word or the phrase or the sentence. You can put that in there. And to do that, we have to put it within quotations, and then we'll put the hello world, since that is what every first program needs to be, is your hello world program. Alright, so we got our Tut2 class, we got our main method, and within the main method we're going to be system outing println hello world. If you don't understand, or if you have troubles, this is very basic stuff, but if you have trouble, leave a comment below and I can address it in the comment section or in a more in-depth video if need be. So let's try and run this. And circle with the triangle is run. We're going to run it, and voila, we get hello world down here. And just to show you that I can change it up, I will change it to hello YouTube. And let's run that one. And look, hello YouTube. So this is a very nice short video. It's just showing the println command from the system.out. And this is, if you understand this will in turn help you make future programs for printing on screen. The system.out.println command also helps with debugging. Even if you do graphic 3D games or 2D games or even applications, you can print it to the console here to show what certain variables are, which I'll get into later, or if a certain method is actually being run. So for instance, if I change this to, if I want to see if the main method is actually working, I can put the word working in here, and if I were to run it, then it shows me that the program actually accesses this method, so that this is how you would debug it to pinpoint actually where the fault in your program lies. Alright, so thanks for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe down below, and the next video, I believe, is the variables, where we get into variables. Alright, thank you very much.